What's up, everybody? It's your boy D-Dog here. Currently getting the house still upgraded. We just upgraded the Wi-Fi extenders on the Google Wi-Fi. I made a video on that, but I don't think I'm gonna upload it. There's a lot going on, me getting it configured. So yeah, this is the Google Net, the Google Wi-Fi. I got more Wi-Fi access points, but that's not why we're making this video today. I've noticed that with my videos that the audio sucks. What I did was, while we were out getting these, I ended up making a purchase to make my channel with my audio a little better. I ended up getting the Saramonic wireless mics. Let's hope this fixes that echo in the room. Okay, so without further ado, let's click the intro, dude. These are the Saramonic Ultra Compact Dual Wireless Microphone System with lavalier. So pretty much I'll have a receiver. This comes with a receiver, 2 wireless microphones, and also some lavalier mics. Pretty sure you've probably seen me do a video on lavalier mics when I made my helmet become a motovlog helmet. And I did a video about that, about me getting a microphone. Remember, I was having trouble always getting a microphone, and I finally got a microphone for it, and that's cool. This new boy comes into play. I was trying to go for the Rode mic, but for some reason those are sold out everywhere. They're like literally, you can't find them on Best Buy. Could have went the ProCam, but it wasn't in my area where I was at, so I decided to get the next best thing. Apparently the Best Buy person, you know, he probably finessed me. He told me that this was kind of better than the Rode mics, so I'm gonna go with his judgment. And you know, so funny, the place that I normally go to get my camera equipment or any like audio equipment, they always been trying to sell me this, and I'd be like, nah bro, I don't want that. We're gonna do it today. We bought it, and you know, cool. So I'm gonna open up this. Comes in, you know, I want you to open this up. We'll place that right there. As you can see, I'm not using a microphone right now. So once we get everything set up, we're gonna set the microphone up in the lab, and we're gonna see how this microphone sounds in the lab. So we're gonna pretty much show you everything, how it sounds. Like right now, you're hearing the audio coming straight from the camera itself. There's no lav mic on there. There's no Rode mic on there, because when I was using a microphone on there, it literally will go out, and then it just be silent, you know. So then I'll have to make like a whole other video because everything just went silent. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Normally I keep a box cutter over here, but yeah, I keep a box cutter. Hold on. Okay, so I got a box cutter here. You know, this is the only thing about being in the basement is that like I got a goddamn furnace. I meant to do what I was doing at the when we was in the apartment, just cut the goddamn heat off while I make my videos. In the box, you do get like this presentation on this box, like it. You know, you get one. This must be one of the mic. You get like a little booklet with the instructions. And I guess in this box right here, this probably are both of the lavalier mics. And probably chargers for these. And then in here you get, we're gonna just put this right here. And then you also get like a little bag. So like now I can put this in my bag to so when I'm out and about, so when I do weddings, if I decide to ever do video in weddings, I can and one of my buddies is watching this. I know he's itching for me to do weddings. So I got this right here. So yeah, so this is pretty, so we get okay, this is the receiver. This is the transmitter. So you get 2 transmitters, and you get a receiver. The only thing that's kind of bothering me is that this was not put on they don't have like a little slot where you can put it on the camera, but on the box and it's probably because I didn't open everything in it. But on the box, it shows that you can put. Hold on. It shows that you can actually put this shit on the camera. They don't look like they can fit. These don't look like they can fit on the camera. This is clips. On these, they do have a line out. They do have a mic in. And thank God, these are USB-C chargeable. Let's go ahead and let me go ahead and set this up. I'm going to set this up in the lab, and you hear the audio, and we'll see if it's really worth how much it costs. But the only thing that's bothering me is that, like, they advertise this to be able to just slide on to the damn thing. So this better work. It better slide onto my damn camera. Otherwise, I'm gonna send them a nice good tweet like, this didn't work, bro. Let me get this set up, and then we'll revene right back. Okay, just an update. That clip literally just slid right into my on that slot right there. So just you know, it worked. So let's go ahead and go in and see if that actually, you know, see how these mics sound. Okay, so here is the receiver on me. I don't know if I need to have it close. I don't know if I need to have it far away. I mean, I don't know how close let's see if I do it like this, see if you hear me. So when we play the video back, we'll know if it worked. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But so if I hide it, I wonder if it sounds exactly, you know what I'm saying, if it sounds like the audio has gotten a little better. But this is with the mic, you know, this is how it sounds. Hopefully this sounds good. If you can hear me, I know I'm in here. I like this area. I think I might make this just my YouTube space. It's just so peaceful in here with it, because I'm in a room with a box full of shoes. Hopefully this really helps. You know, the echoing that I heard when I was making my video. So hope it sounds good. Let's go back out there. I'm gonna look at the video, and I will let you guys know if this sounds good or not, and if it's worth buying. So let's go back out there. Okay, so the real test, I just looked at the video, and the audio sounds hella better. And I'm actually using a mic right now. So hopefully, with my furnace currently going on, hopefully the audio sounds pretty cool. It sounds clear, because I did cut the volume down. It did sound like it was too loud a little bit. That's no problem, because I can always edit that in post, turn the volume down. But long as my voice is not peaking, and when I say peaking, like if I talk loud, it'll get like very staticky. I mean, at this point, I'm pretty happy with the results right now, and this can actually be cool, because whenever I do start doing videos for weddings, it'll come in handy. Plus, I know my friend who I shoot weddings with, he watches my videos. He's gonna want to use these. They dope, and he always calls me bougie because I spend a lot of money on equipment and the shit works. So, with that said, I'm gonna say, hey, for now, this is a good buy. This is a good buy. I recommend that you go get it. I'll post the links in the description below if you're interested. If you have any questions, I'll give a follow-up on the next wedding that me and my boy do. I'm gonna have him use it when he records the wedding, and we will see if these are pretty dope, because they come with two. So this could be for the bride and the groom. And so, yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. You guys stay up and stay safe, and be sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment, let me know. Do you have this mic? I would love to know your thoughts or what you think about the mic. So other than that, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.